How far I got my Kendama? 3 days. 3 days of waiting. So, as you can see, Kendama USA. I mean, then the outwards. Alright. So I just barely got it. Can't wait to open it. I don't even want to look in it. It's goose on it. Oh! Ah. Yeah! Paper! I'm supposed to see that. 3 Kendama stickers, Kendama USA white, 2 of them, and then a Kendama USA black. Then my receipt. Yep. Nothing else. Alright. So, I got the Pro model, Kendama USA, of Colin Schneider. So, let's open this bad boy up. Shoot. You must not tear. Let's go. Tape. Try. 1 second. Got my handy dandy knife. Cut. Open it up. Pull this open. What's in it? Alright. There's that. Anything else? Hello? Is anybody there? Alright. So, here's what's in here. Alright. Kendama sticker, white. Kendama USA sticker, white. Kendama USA, really like that one. It's out of like triangles and shapes. Already made this out. Receipt. 2, 1, and then extra Kendama string. This is very nice. I don't see a bead. It says there. Oh, I found the bead. Little pocket guide. Teaches you how to do tricks. This is my first one from Kendama USA. I only have one other Kendama. It's a cheap one from Target. A small Kendama white tribute sticker. And I believe the rest are tribute stickers. Tribute logos, and then another one of the white ones. And then that's out of that. Now let's open the beast. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Maybe. Feels a little off white. Needs to be a little more sanded though. Black smudge or something. It's not good. Oh well. Here it is. Big cup. Alright. So on it, we have the cup, big cup, small cup, then Kendama USA, frog, and then Colin something signature. So this is the plasticky type feel. I thought it was gonna feel more plasticky, like my friend had a really plasticky one, and I thought it was gonna be that. But maybe it will turn more plasticky after I use it. Nice string. So this is my other Kendama. Let's compare them. Good, mine's shorter, the new one, because shorter, better. The cup is huge. Alright, big cup on mine. These are both the big cups. Old one from Target. That's the difference. Doesn't really look different, but this one is smoother on the inner cup. Really smooth. As you can see, right there's a big black smudge. It's also bent. It's alright. So, see if I can do a spec with this. Just seeing how wiggly the ball is. It's so much different. How does it just... Alright, so here's the whole thing together. Like it, Kendama USA, beast, and I'm gonna hurry and, sorry if this makes you dizzy. Here, I'll close the lens up. Doesn't make you dizzy. Alright, so here it is. So, Kendama black, sticker, white, 2 whites, and a different type of white and more thin. KendamaUSA.com, not tribute, pocket guide, extra string, tribute to these, receipt, goodie bag. I don't know why I call it my goodie bag. I don't think they're really considered goodies, but I do. There's the box. And we love the paper. Can't stop feeling it. Alright. Now. Yeah, boogity nose. Peace out, YouTubers. I'm gonna edit this video, and I'm also going to put on just some more tricks of using it. So it's good. It's good.